Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of hydroponics, huh? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the basics of hydroponics for beginners. First things first, what is hydroponics? It's a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. Sounds cool, right? Trust me, it is. Now, let's talk about the different types of hydroponic systems. You've got your deep water culture, nutrient film technique, ebb and flow, and more. Each system has its own pros and cons, so do your research and find the one that suits your needs best. Next up, nutrients. Plants need their vitamins too, you know? Make sure you're providing them with the right balance of nutrients to keep them healthy and thriving. Lighting is crucial in hydroponics. Plants need light to photosynthesize, so invest in some good quality grow lights to ensure your plants get the light they need to grow strong and healthy. Temperature and humidity also play a big role in hydroponic gardening. Keep an eye on these factors to create the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. And let's not forget about pH levels. Maintaining the right pH balance in your nutrient solution is key to ensuring your plants can absorb all the nutrients they need. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with hydroponics. It's a fascinating world with endless possibilities. So roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, well, not really, and start growing your own little piece of paradise. There you have it, folks. Hydroponics for beginners in a nutshell. Now go out there and start your hydroponic journey. Happy growing!